Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Welcome, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you all how to download and install Edraw, a beautiful, fantastic diagramming and drawing software for your PC, Windows operating system or Mac operating system or iOS for your devices, every device. Thank you. After that we will go to our Chrome browser and try to download Edraw for our free variant for our PC. Edraw, I will search here Edraw, and after searching we will open this website. This is the product of Wondershare, a vast software developing company. So open this website, official.edraw.com. It's very beautiful and fantastic drawing and diagramming software for your devices. Empower your online diagramming, plan, visualize and collaborate better all in Edraw Online. Also available for Windows, Macs, Linux and web. All options are available here. All-in-one online tool, everything you and your team need for intelligent diagramming. Diagram visualize then actualize. Okay, first of all you will visualize in your mind and you will draw your visual in your PC according to your visual concepts, what you want to create, what you want to make. So with the help of Edraw software, it is the product of Wondershare. So after that, teamwork, collaboration equal innovation. You can build a real-time synchronous cloud workplace too, so that everyone collaborate visually on the same page. After that, more inspiration, more possibilities. So the feature and functioning of Edraw, you can see here. The biologists of our beautiful globe are using this software to create their drawing diagrams about cell. You can see here. You can also create anything diagram if you want to create anything with the help of Edraw software. Visual workplace for you and your team. Strategic planning, visual communication, collaborate learning, infrastructure and process, UX, UI, innovation. Touch radar. Edraw Online is powerful. It is also available in online web tool that has more than enough feature, template and examples for its user to accomplish any task. G2 crowd. Edraw provide professional for organization and individual. Captira, the user of Edraw, Microsoft, Deloitte, Amazon, Facebook, Mac, Puma and other companies also using Edraw for their diagramming and other uses. Software is sufficient compatible for both academic and research activities. The most helpful feature is the pre-built template that can use to create. It is hard to find a tool that could compete with Microsoft Visio. So you can see the feature drag and drop feature, make it very easy to get started for software design. Online is a powerful tool to present areas with the help of graphic illustration. So these are the features of Edraw. Keep updated with Edraw here. Ready to diagram, try it free. You can download free version of Edraw for your PC or Windows or Linux, which operating system you have. From here, download here. So I will try to download from here for my PC. Yes, Edraw setup, download in desktop. You can see here this installer for Edraw software has been downloaded, and after that we will try to install it for our PC. Show in folder and You can see I downloaded the installer, run as administrator. The installer is about 2 MB and do you want to allow this? Yes, I will allow this app to install. Edraw, want to share Edraw? By clicking install, you agree to privacy policy and EULA. Yes, I am agree. Install it. Yes, you can see that Edraw, want to share Edraw for your PC has been installed to be installed, and after a few minutes it will be installed into your PC. And after installing, you create your own diagram and graphics and anything you want to create here. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this way you can also download and install Edraw for your PC in this way. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.